Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, for this way you won't miss any of my new video. So in today's video I want to show you guys how to make garlic and ginger paste. So to get started, we're going to need some garlic and ginger. um this is ginger and this is garlic. So what you're going to do is you peel off the garlic skin using back of a spoon. You peel it off this way. So when you do it this way, the skin will peel off easily. So guys, I'm done peeling the skin off. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut the ginger into pieces for easy blending. So you cut it this way, then after that I'm going to blend it. So guys, after cutting this into pieces, the next thing to do is to blend everything together. So I'm going to add the garlic first. Then after that I'm going to add the ginger. So I'm going to do this, I'm going to blend it little by little in order not to spoil the blender. So I'm going to add the vegetable oil. And then blend it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add salt. Now the salt is to preserve the garlic and ginger paste. So whenever you're using this garlic and ginger paste to cook, make sure you taste whatever you use it for. Make sure you taste it before adding salt, because the garlic and ginger paste is already salty, so you wouldn't want to add any more salt to whatever you're using the ginger to prepare. So guys, as you can see, it's the garlic and ginger paste is very smooth. but I'm going to blend it one more time. Then the next thing to do now is to pour it in a glass jar or a glass storage container, and then you can keep it in the fridge. This garlic and ginger paste can last for 6 months, guys. So all you have to do is to just store this in the fridge, and that's all, guys. As I said earlier, this can last you for 6 months, guys. So, and it's very good to make your own garlic and ginger paste at home, because this way you know all the things you use to prepare this. There is no chemical in it to preserve it. All we use in preserving this is just salt and vegetable oil, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video again. And as I said earlier, guys, if you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell. Thank you so much, guys. See you on my next video, and bye.